National Open University admits candidates whose results are authentic and are authenticated by the National Examinations Council. It's known that you admit candidates more than any university in southern in Africa. We felt with the capacity the National Open University has in CBE, it is important that we need to collaborate in those areas so that we'll be able to provide examination services through the use of the CBT centers owned by the National Open University. And we know the advantage of the CBE center in ensuring that it covers a lot of examination malpractice.
So CBT capacity and our ICT capacity, you can be sure that we will help to give integrity and respite to what you are doing. We are well aware of the need of the resolution of the Fundamental Regulation that the CBT is the way to go. And if you look at the resources you need to provide to do this, and our CBT infrastructure, after our exams, they're idle. So we are helping us to also put it into use. So we really appreciate that. So to that end, I really agree with you that I'll set up a committee that will have a handshake with NECO to really tie these two areas of collaboration that we've identified.